We are delighted to offer for sale this 1965 Porsche 911 2-litre FIA Racecar. It has just arrived and is going through preparation and tuning. It was built from scratch to FIA Appendix K specification from individually sourced period Porsche components. The car's passed Motorsport UK scrutiny and was awarded FIA certification. This makes it eligible for use in all historic rally, race and hill climb events, including the Peter Auto 2-litre Cup. So if you've thought about Classic Porsche Racing, then please give us a call. Rindt can also look after the car for you in an arrive and drive capacity if you so wish.